Hey guys, it's Giann. Whoever's watching this video, I just want to say that you're awesome, you're great, keep moving forward, trust in God, and spread the love. Peace out.
Before I spoke a word, you were singing over me. You have been so, so good to me. Before I took a breath, you breathed your life in me. You have been so, so kind to me. And oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99. I couldn't earn it, and I don't deserve it. Still you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Hope has broken free, spirit alive and freely moving joy. Unspeakable has won my heart. Now I'm running wild. I can feel it coming in the air. Faith and love will change the atmosphere. I'm on top of the world, made alive in your love. Conceal the Savior we found. I'm home. Christ is my identity. His spirit lives in me. Heaven, my reality. Love has broken free. Christ is my identity. His spirit lives in me. Heaven.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. I'll be posting one video every Saturday, all about these topics. It will be random. All my social media links down below, and you'll find my weirdness there. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Peace out.